it'd make it even popular.
You see it?
Uh-huh.
Which one can I grab? Or just put bug spray on these fucking things.
That's crazy, right? That's crazy. Look, that's damn near a wasp.
Hey, Sam.
Look at this.
What is it?
Oh, this one. This one's moving.
Oh.
Look at.
No, they're moving.
Look.
Ew.
What is it?
What is it?
That's a wasp nest.
Oh.
Where at? Where'd you fucking get that at? In the back? Look, that's what's in them.
Is it moving? What is it though?
Oh, this one's a real almost done one. Look, this one's almost done. It has like a little fucking like the head of him right there, and he's turning red. I'm kind of scared to take this one out because it's fucking. It's looking at me.
It's looking at you.
Let's see.
What are you fuckers there? Fuck around and get stung.
That's okay. I would say he is red though.
It's red. He's all like doing like that.
Yeah, that's crazy. I'd make sure if you grab him, I'd have a hold of his ass.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna
Are these all
look at him from the top. You can see he's red. His head is right there. It's red. Hold on, I'm gonna give you a sock or something.
I like the fish test you guys made.
Look what he looks like.
You know, like that sauce in it.
He's looking at you. Nigga. Fuck. Oh, I want to grab him.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
Look, there's gonna be like a part 2 to this.
Oh, your video about to go?
Uh-uh.
Hold up. Where'd it go? Oh,
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, I make sure.
can you see it?
Bees. Brendan, bees. He wants to show you the bees. I already seen them. Out here, she said. Yeah, be careful.
Go over there.
Come over here.
Yeah, I already seen it. You're nasty.
This one's moving.
No, come here.
Go over there.
Come here.
Go over there.
Come here, Mimi. Yeah. Those things bite.
Oh, yeah, he's moving.
And you'll cry and get sick.
That's a spider, fool.
What?
That's not no bee. I'm gonna go ahead and kill his ass because I don't want them. Hold up. Look at him. Oh no, that's a bee.
Yeah, I'd make sure to get his ass. Don't let him slip. Oh. Hey, look at this one. That's crazy. So that's the part 1.